I am presenting my project AI Study Buddy, an AI powered educational assistant that aligns with Sustainable Development Goal 4 quality education. The problem I am addressing is simple but critical. Millions of students lack access to the quality education or personalized tutoring. Many can't afford the tutors, don't have the 24 by 7 help when stuck, and struggle with self paced learning. So, my solution is an AI agent that acts as a personal study buddy, explaining any concept and testing understanding through the quizzes. So, now let me show you the live demo. I asked the AI to explain the photosynthesis, and the difficulty level I set it to the beginner. You can adjust it to intermediate and advanced form. So now it is analyzing. We'll get the response in a structured format. Here is our response. It includes the simple definition, real world example, why this matters, and common misconceptions related to the topic. Here you can see this. So the sidebar shows you the topics you have explored now. Learning is not complete without testing yourself, right? So watch this. So I want to take a quiz on machine learning. So I selected the topic for quiz, that is machine learning, and questions I have set to the 3. You can increase or decrease the number of questions. So now our agent generating the quiz on machine learning. So here is the quiz. Each question has the 4 multiple choice, also the correct answer for that particular question. Student can download the quiz as a text file or for use it to the offline practice. You can download it here. So it shows, the sidebar shows you the topics you have explored, the quizzes that you have taken. So now let me connect you through the Sustainable Development Goal 4, that is quality education. It aims to ensure the inclusive and equitable quality education and promote the lifelong learning opportunities for all. So my project contributes by free access, no cost to the learners, 24 by 7 availability, you can learn anytime, personalized, adapts to the different levels, self-paced, no pressure learning, you can learn at your speed, and global reach. Anyone with the internet can use it. So this democratizes the education, removing the barriers of the cost, location, and the time. Thank you.